Okay. Oh, where is it? So, today we are replacing my '09 HHR blinker because this one's kind of shit. So, gotta figure out how to open the damn box. Get this bad boy out. We're just gonna brute force the box. I'll cut your steering wheel apart. Nice new blinker. And it's just gonna go in super easy. I don't even really have to do anything on this one. Okay. So now that I've got that out, I'm just going to be using a 1/4 inch ratchet, and I'm going to be using a Phillips, so a star head, and I'm going to be using a same size 1/4 inch screwdriver with a 7mm just to get everything out here. So I'm going to start with the bottom, and there's 3 screws down here. Let me just make sure you guys have the right camera angle. Okay, so now that you guys can actually see what the hell we're doing, I'm just going to undo these. 1, 2, and I'm just going to set them over here in the interior. There's 3 total. One of them is really far up, which is why I'm using this extension. Plus, it's just easier to twist the whole shaft. Okay, so now that we got all the screws out, why do I say okay so much? I have to stop doing that. Either way, I'm going to pull the steering wheel release down, and I'm just going to, oh, you know what, so forgetful. We have to pull these out and then yank this front piece out before those can come out because it's locked behind it. So I don't even think I'm going to use the ratchet. And don't drop them, because they'll probably drop. I dropped it the first time. Jesus. Scared the shit out of myself. Yeah, don't drop it like that. Okay. So I'm gonna put those there. Now this, it hurts your fingers, but okay, steering wheel's loose. Stop honking. Okay. It's usually hard to get that out. Now that we got that off, these are super easy. I'll need my key out though. This top one just comes right off. This just holds everything in. Then honestly, I don't even think I'll take my key out because I really don't want to die of heat. So this is the turn signal right here. You can see it's already easy to come out because I've been working on it. Just eject that bad boy. And pull this. And yeah, I'm doing this with the ignition. Turn to accessory. This is the old one. Yeah, something's wrong. This is the new one. One, two. Okay. Now I'm just gonna pull the wheel up. I just have to now do a little bit of pushing up on the pins to make sure that it locks into place. That's the top one. That's the bottom one. So we're seated nice and tight. Let's give it a little tug. Nice. Okay, that's that. So now that that's done, we just have to push this back over as it goes over this ring. I have to bring this one down, make sure all my clips are lined up. Put this back in. Oh, that's backwards. Make sure they're all going in where they need to. I can tell one of them isn't. Okay, that's that side. That's that side. Okay, so now that it's a bit quieter around here, we're gonna just put a gauge cover back in place, and that's just as easy. There's a pin here and a pin on the other side, and they go right into this. So make sure that this pin and these two, seat into here and here together. Usually pretty okay. This side is the side that doesn't like to go in, so I usually have to push up. I find it helps if you put the top ring in first, then you can just push it all in. And that's a new working blinker. Even my high beams work. Flashers. So we got to take all our screws now and insert them back. And that's our 2 Phillips. And I'm still just going to do this by like my mini screwdriver here. I makeshifted out of my set. That's 1. That's 2. So I don't even need this anymore. Just going to use my screwdriver with my 7mm. Put these 3 back in. There we go. That's number 1. Seated nice and tight. This is number 2. Seated nice and tight. This front one is the hardest to get by far because it's like literally more than half of my middle finger deep. And number 3, we're just going to seat that bad boy in too. Just like that. That'll go up. I like my steering wheel all the way down though. That's awesome. I'm more than okay with that. So I'll click together. Perfect. And it works. Okay, guys, well, that is pretty much that. The turn signal change was easy. I was going to do the throttle body today, but I just wanted to chill and do something just not so hard. I did try to record this one other time, but that didn't come out. So after I did that, I had to order a new one because I broke it. And I did survive till I got the new one. This is actually the throttle body gasket, speaking of. So I am not bullshitting. I am going to do it. I just have to cut out time to do it. Things have been kind of crazy. But as usual, thanks for checking in, guys. I appreciate it.